Hello again, everyone. Just wanted to provide you guys with a quick walkthrough video on converting between forms. I know we talked about this in class a little bit, but I wanted to just provide this additional video to help you guys make sense of what's going on. So the first place we want to start here is we want to be able to convert to standard form, okay? So what we can see here, the standard form, with the arbitrary a, b, and c values here, you can see it's the ax squared plus bx plus c you see highlighted. And I have an example. This is more like what we'll normally see. And what we'll notice here is that our degree, the exponent, goes from 2 to 1 to 0, and there is kind of a phantom 1 on the x there. We don't usually write it, but our exponents go from greatest to least. What you'll notice about the other two forms here, we have one example on the left here in vertex form and one example on the right in factored form, is that we have parentheses. And the easiest way to think about how do I convert to standard form is I need to get rid of those parentheses. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to multiply. Remember that when I have a quantity, a binomial, raised to the second power, that means that I want to take x minus 2 times itself, right? Times x minus 2. And then after that, we have the minus 49. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply. X times x gets me x squared. X times negative 2 gets me negative 2x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. And then we still have that minus 49 on the end. Just so you saw it, I'm just distributing every term in the first parenthesis times every term in the second. And now I'm going to combine like terms to finish up and end up in standard form. I'm going to do the same thing in factored form. Again, I need to distribute. I need to get rid of my parentheses so that I can write this in the form that I like. So I'm going to distribute all the terms in one parenthesis and multiply them times all the terms in the second. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Negative 9 times x is negative 9x. And then negative 9 times 5 is negative 45. We can see we're getting close here. I can finish this up by combining my like terms. And we can see that all three of these have the, I made a little arithmetic mistake here. This should be a minus 4x. And what we can see here is that all three stand where we started in standard form, converted from vertex to standard, or converting from factored to standard, we ended up with the exact same quadratic trinomial in each case. So if I want to convert to standard form, it must mean I'm in another form that involves parentheses. I have to get rid of those parentheses. I do so by multiplying.